my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some piped shortbread dipped in chocolate. This is one of my favorite recipes that I've ever made because it reminds me of my childhood. My grandmother used to make these for me when I was little. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to notify every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday.
In a bowl with 125 grams of soft butter, add in 30 grams of icing sugar, mix the butter and icing sugar together until smooth. Add in 145 grams of flour, mix until a soft dough forms. Place your mixture into a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle. Pipe circles out. Pipe stripes out as well. I love the ridges that the star tip creates on these biscuits. And bake at 175 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Once these biscuits are cooled, dip them in chocolate. Or instead of dipping these biscuits in chocolate, you can spoon some chocolate on. After adding the chocolate, place these biscuits in the fridge just to firm up the chocolate. Enjoy a buttery biscuit and a rich and creamy chocolate end.